Today at Mob House Unboxing, I have something that is made for every budget of gamers out there. I got you, Roblox players.
Hari tu saya nak beli gaming laptop, tapi harga dah gila, nak ke mana, kepala sakit merana. Macam mana, I just wanna be pro. If my FPS cannot go, habislah KD-ku bro. Suddenly terjumpa satu laptop kat situ, design dia lawa, performance dia pun laju. If you wanna be pro, jom kita tengok Acer Nitro 5 ini.
Wow, quite pro this intro. Don't know who make one. But anyways, subscribe lah. Tunggu apa lagi? What am I doing today again, huh? That's right. I need to intro to you the Acer Nitro 5. 5 lah. The box is very black, very basic, just like my outfit. Inside got another black box that is very protective. See? Didn't even break. A sweat. Inside this black box, you get a SATA cable in case you're very driven, you want to add another drive, some tiny screws, and a big black power cable. For this even bigger 230.1 watt power brick. Walao eh, you're damn kiasu, right? 0.1 watt also want to put. Scared people don't know your power, is it? Finally, it's time for the big reveal. Wow, why so tight? Such an ordeal. And before we seal the deal, we have some paperwork. More paperwork. Old news paperwork. 烧稿報紙 paper lama. I don't know how to do the sound. And finally, this time no tipu one. The moment you all have been waiting for. Maybe not as graceful as me, but still quite graceful lah. Dung dung dung. Not the right sound effect. This is the Acer Nitro 5 from 2022 with 12th gen Intel Core processors. It looks a little slicker and better looking than last year's model, that's what she said. The design is what I call low-key gamery with an all-plastic chassis that is accented with some vroom vroom vents behind and colorful stripes on the lid. Also, in case you're a douche lover, got RGB keyboard some more. The laptop is not the slimmest lah, but it weighs only 2.5 kilograms, so it's not too bad. Won't break your back even when you carry it around, unlike your feeding teammates. It actually comes in 6 different flavors, ranging from a super hyper cheap buy 4,399 ringgit up to a little bit cheap buy 8,999 ringgit. So like I said, it's made for every budget of gamers out there, whether if you need an i5-12700H with an RTX 3050 for just CSGO away, or if you need an i7-12700H with an RTX 3070 Ti for AAA titles. There's even a new model with an i9-12900H for more content creation focused gamers out there for only #cheap buy 6,799 ringgit. This mid-tier Nitro 5 that we have here comes with a 1080p 144Hz IPS panel that is less color accurate than the higher end models with a rated sRGB accuracy of only 63%. It's good enough for gaming, but please get the higher end models if you want to edit photos and videos. The i7-12700H is a very powerful CPU with a total of 20 threads, and with the bonus DLC RTX 3060, video and even 3D rendering should be pretty fast. But in the future, you might want to tambah lagi for more RAM if you do 3D work or even 4K video editing, which is possible cause the RAM is not soldered. Like this more future-proof ma. And for those of you guys who want to take this laptop out and churi free Wi-Fi for Valorant, this laptop got Wi-Fi 6, If you are more shameless, even got Ethernet port you can chuchot straight into other people's router. And speaking of Ethernet, here are all the other holes that come with this laptop in case you're interested. Got 3 USB 3.2 Type A ports, 2 Gen 2 and 1 Gen 1. Audio jack, 1 USB Type C port, and even got a full-size HDMI at the belakang. More than enough for you to play. I personally prefer the new 6,799 ringgit model with the i9 because it's a sweet spot just like you. It's like Goldilocks, not too hot, not too cold. Ngam, just nice. So nice that you will subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell, as well as follow us on Facebook, TikTok and Instagram. Or buy a laptop using our links because you are also very nice. #support local.